What's up YouTube? It's been a while and I wanted to give you guys a quick update. I've been so busy putting this store together and now I finally have it together. I have my products, I put it together and making sales. It's been about 2 months now I've been operating, and sorry that I have not made videos in a while, but I made it and I have the store ready, so I want to give you guys a good walkthrough of what's inside my store and what your store could possibly look like. So here is my store. It's called Trend Up. It's a general Shopify physical store. I got my glass display units of different types of products, from car stickers, charcoal teeth whitening, just beauty, electronics. I'll show you guys inside here. I got snacks, chocolate, chips, anti-theft backpacks or hot sellers. These are all of our wallets that we sell for men. Lots of styles and just lots of cool products I got here. The telescope for your phone, the microscope attachment, black Bluetooth earphone. You can see my price is $35 and you guys all know how much we get it for. Like less than $10, so pretty good margin every time we buy one. 20 bucks. Here are some of our cooler pads. We do promotions like 50% off. We do promotions like buy one get one free. I basically take this price of $9.99, or it used to be just $5 I used to charge, and I upped it to $10 and I just did buy one get one free. So it's the same price and we all buy it for like 50 cents. So that's 1,000% margin for those. So here, oh, we got some bracelets here as well. Buy one get one free, same thing. These are so cheap. You guys know how much those costs. And just a bunch of car stickers. Let's come in here. I got a Coke machine with let me tell you, it was a free Coke machine. It was free. All I have to do is buy these pops, and you can charge mall prices. My prices are actually quite cheap. I'm actually gonna raise them soon here. Here's my store. We've got a nice POS system. If you have any questionable POS systems, you can give me a shout. These are alarm clocks. Are pretty popular. Pretty good, right? So we sell them for about $25. Selfie light, Himalayan salt lamps. Got some Himalayan salt lamps here. Got a nice little visual I made. I can teach you guys how I made those type of visuals. Pop sockets. Pop sockets are so cheap. We'll do buy one get one free from $10, which is a really good price. Plus we're getting already like another 1,000% ROI. We got squishies here. Squishies are pretty popular. Just a mix of lots of things. You guys know the talking hamster. It's actually real. You guys want to see this? I'm just gonna turn it on. Hey, how's it going? Hi YouTube. That's cute. More bracelets here. Again, good prices. Glasses, really good. Watches, built this nice watch display, so selling out on them. Apple Watch bands, toys. So I'm selling out. My shelves are empty. Sold a bunch of fidget cubes, fidget spinners, fidget stuff. Just running out, man. Running out. So this is my store. Hope you guys like that small walkthrough. I'll show you guys my office as well. And in my office, this is where I do my social media consulting. This is where I teach my students. I also, in this mall that I'm at, I have a lot of business owners that need help doing social media help, like doing the Facebook ads, Instagram ads, those type of things that we all know how to do. If you have any questions or if you want to get started and do something like what I'm doing here, feel free to message me, email me. My email will be in the description box. Comment. I'll do my best to comment on your guys' comments. And if you want, you can join our Facebook page for more information and get connected. And that's also in the description box. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.